I loved getting hands with the Ark today. It's such an amazing screen.
Having the team here at Samsung kind of show me the features was very beneficial.
Oh my gosh, that is massive.
I was blown away. It's freaking huge.
Seeing this thing in person is a whole nother experience.
To see it in real life, it's something else.
Definitely blew my mind, and the immersion was something that I wasn't really expecting. I haven't ever experienced anything like that.
It also has 4 speakers and 2 woofers, so not only are you immersed with the monitor, but the sound system as well.
The ability to seamlessly turn it into that cockpit mode, and just to have the functionality of having it horizontally like that and vertically, I just don't think I would ever get bored of it.
Usually with gaming monitors, the buzz on the